So hello ma'am, how may I help you?
Okay, ma'am. Good morning. Yesterday I came to your shop and I purchased this item. And when I went at my home and my friend said to me, "Open this gift. What you bring inside it?" So I showed her, and then I found a cracked item. So that's why I came to you, and I want to replace it. So, ma'am, please show.
So
Please
you
see
want
it.
to replace it?
Yes.
Sorry ma'am, but I can't replace it.
Ma'am, firstly, you should see that item, ma'am. You are a...
Yeah, there is a crack, I know, but you should see that crack at the time. You should have seen that crack at the time of purchasing. Now I can't do anything in this case.
No, ma'am. Actually, when I purchased this item, I was in a hurry, and actually, I am a old customer of you, or that's why I trust you. So I showed this item, but peripherally, not minutely. That's why when I went in my shop and I saw this item, so I found crack. So, ma'am, you should
It's
return.
your responsibility to see minutely each and every part of that we can say thing.
No, ma'am. I already told you, ma'am. I have seen, but at that time I was in hurry, and because I have purchased some other item from, because there is a birthday party of my friend, so I have to give I had to give that item. So that's why I purchased, and I have purchased some other item, but I didn't have so much time at that time. So I purchased this item in hurry, and because I am your old customer, so that's why I trust you and I purchased this item in hurry.
So you said that you purchased this item in hurry.
Yes.
So maybe it can be possible in hurry that item was collude with anything else, like with wall and with anything collided. Yeah.
No, ma'am. Firstly, I want to tell you when I purchased this item, I directly went in my home. Then I placed this item at Almira. Then I went further for purchasing. So in marketing, so you can't say this is my fault and this is our.
I'm not like maybe when you went to your house, so maybe this was collided with anything else. I am saying this, and it is not our responsibility that you like purchase that item, and after purchasing, after out of my shop, there is no guarantee to exchange this item, because if everyone like come like this that this item was broken by accidentally, and then so I can't.
No, ma'am. I'm not saying this item was broken accidentally from my side. This item was broken from your side.
So how can you say this?
Like, because, ma'am, when I purchased this item, I saw from the outside, not back side.
So why didn't
and at that time when your servant packed this item, then he also didn't see that item from inside. So that's why I'm saying you, this is at that time when I purchased this item, it was broken already.
So broken, it was broken. So you should saw it minutely at that time. You should have seen. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am, you are absolutely right. Saying, because I already told you at that time I was in hurry, and I am your old customer. When I purchased a lot of items from your shop, but I never found this type of mistake. So I trust you a lot and in your shop. So that's why I come to your shop regularly. But firstly, this is the first case when I found some mistake from your side. So that's why I want to, and you have to return this. You have to replace this.
No, ma'am. Why are you just harping on the same string?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'm not harping. I'm just saying.
No, you should not say this, because you said that you were in hurry. So it's not our mistake that you were in hurry. You should have seen this item very carefully or
So, ma'am, please tell me, you don't have any responsibility about your product. Want to say this thing?
We have responsibility till that time. Like while you are purchasing, till that time we have responsibility. But when you took it off to your home, so there will be no guarantee that it would not be broken, or it means it can be like slipped out from your.
No, ma'am, it is not slipped. It was not slipped anywhere. I brought it carefully at my home. So how can you say it was my mistake?
So how can you say that it's our
Because,
mistake?
ma'am, when I purchased this item, when your servant packed this item, we both see that item from outside. we didn't see that item from inside. That's why I am saying. But when actually when I asked my friend to open this box, and she suddenly bagged this item, then I saw this
So do you know,
fault.
out of the sight, out of the world. Now we can't do anything in this case, because when you took it off your home, so at that time you can only see that item.
So ma'am,
Now we
please
can't-
tell me what should I do? Ma'am, this is the birthday of my friend at the time of 2 p.m. and at that time it is the time of 12, and I have to go to my friend house for his birthday party. So please tell me
So
what
you
should I
can
do?
Tell me that how can I just keep it, because if you are
Ma'am, I can't bear this loss alone. Please understand me.
so how can I help you in this case?
Ma'am, you should have returned, and you will have to return this,
No, I
and you
haven't.
will have to replace this.
No,
Ma'am,
sorry, but
how
I
can you
will-
say I will survive this loss alone? I bear this loss alone.
So I also can't bear this loss, because
Ma'am,
if
it's
you
not
are-
my fault.
Firstly, let me speak.
So whose fault is this?
Yeah, so whose fault is this?
Ma'am, it's- ma'am-
neither mine nor yours.
No, ma'am,
So-
it was broken at the time of purchase, and I can say this dranata,
Assertively.
assertively,
Ah.
because when I purchased, your servant and me never saw this item from backside.
So no, here it is not my fault, because you didn't see it is.
Ma'am, you can ask your servant. Please call your
Yeah,
servant,
I
and
asked
you can ask him. You can ask him.
Yeah, there is no need to call him, because
Why, ma'am? Why are you saying you don't need to call him?
Because-
You have a blind belief on your servant. You are never you don't want to listen to me, but you have a blind belief on your servant.
Yes, because he is working like since many time. Like since
Ma'am,
many years.
I have been coming from in your shop for many years.
Now,
So why don't you believe on me?
No,
Trust-
you
Trust me.
like now it is your responsibility to check the item fully, inside or outside.
Yeah,
And
ma'am.
you should tell if there was any fault, or there was any we can say that is crack on that item. So you should tell. You should have been.
Told me.
You should told me at
You
that
should
time.
have told me.
Ma'am, I already told you I came to your shop in the evening, and I have to purchase some other thing. I had to purchase some other thing, so I kept this item at Almira. Then I went further for purchasing some other item. So I didn't have time
Okay.
to show this
So
item,
at your house,
to see this item.
at your house, many people are there. Maybe
Ma'am,
by
my
that
Almira
time-
is locked.
No, your Almira is locked, but maybe it can be possible like when you kept this item, so that was full of clothes and all.
No, ma'am,
So it
ma'am,
can
there
be-
is a lot of space in my Almira, and you can walk at my home, and you
How
can
I
see.
go- No, I
So, ma'am, how can you say it's a lot of?
Why should I go to your house? to
No,
check
ma'am, I
the
just say
Almira?
you are saying ki maybe there are some possibility there is
You
no
said-
space. There will be no.
So how can like I just
Ma'am,
bear this
ma'am,
loss?
I'm just saying when I purchased this item, I carried this item carefully at my home, and I kept this item carefully at my Almira. When my friend asked me what is in this box, please open it. Then I opened it. So how can you say it's my fault?
So how can you say that it's
Sir,
your fault?
ma'am, it's your fault definitely,
No, it's-
because when I carried this item carefully and I kept this item carefully, so how can you say it's my fault?
No, now you are harping the same string again and again.
No, ma'am,
Because
you
can't
also
say-
harping the same
No,
string.
you can't say anything, because it is your responsibility, and now some terms and conditions are there. You have to just check the item before buying.
So, ma'am, there is no responsibility from your side about
After purchasing, after take it out.
about customer. You don't have any
I
responsibility.
have responsibility.
Which type of
in that
responsibility you are talking about?
I am telling, like, if you have
When we give money, then you are free from your side, and you will not care about.
so
customer.
but at that time you should check it.
You should have.
You should have checked it.
No, ma'am, I already told you. Why you are asking me again? Why should
So,
don't? It's your
sorry, but
responsibility.
I am unable.
Working on the same string.
Why are you harping on the same stick?
Sorry, but I'm now unable to just return this item because I don't think so. Like it is my fault, because if it was my fault, so you should check at
Ma'am,
that
it's
time.
totally your fault, and it's your totally fault of your servant.
So how can
Ma'am,
you say this?
Ma'am, I already told you. I have already told you, because when I purchased this, we both never seen this item from
It is not
back
our
side.
responsibility to see that item. It is your responsibility by buying while just.
You don't have responsibility about your product, and
We
you have
have, but
you are ready to give
responsibility-
any damaged item to the
No,
customer.
Means who are you talking to about this? Because if it is my, I know that it is my responsibility. I know that it was correct, like it was okay at that time. But
No, ma'am. How can you say? How can you say it was correct at the time of packing? Because
correct नहीं intact.
how can you say it was? How can you say it was intact at the time of packing? Because you were not there at the time of packing. Because your servant packed this item.
but
So how can you say it's not my mistake? It was not broken at the time of, because you were not there. You only just received money.
Okay,
So how can you say?
I was not there, but you were there.
Yes, I was there.
I was not. Sorry, I was not there, but you were there.
Yeah, I was there, and I also told
You
you.
should check it
No,
now.
ma'am.
You should have checked it.
Yeah, I have checked. I should have checked this item, but I was in hurry, so that's
So
why.
it is not my
So, but
fault that
ma'am,
you were in hurry. So
I
it is
have
my fault.
some minute mistake, so I can't survive this big loss.
Where?
I can't bear this big loss. So, ma'am,
So
please,
I also can't.
ma'am, I can't bear this loss alone. You will have also bear
No,
this loss.
I
So
can't.
now you will never come to this shop, although you are taking this item back.
Yeah,
to your home.
if you don't replace this item, if you don't return this, I will never come to your
But
shop.
it is not our fault. It
Ma'am.
can be yours.
So now she's going.
And when I went to my house, when I will go in my house by without replacing this, then it will give a bad impact on your shop, because when
Let
I
it-
went
Let it be,
and you
because
also give the wrong or negative reviews.
yes, on your site
On your social site.
site.
let it be, because it's
And I
not
will
our
also
fault, so
I
can't
will
do
also
anything.
complain on your customer care consumer court.
So what can it be?
Yeah, I will tell about your
I will sue
mistake.
you in
So
the
how can
I will sue you in the court.
So how can you say that it's my fault? Because
Ma'am,
you
it's
should
totally your
know.
fault.
You
Your
should have
total.
checked at the time of
No, ma'am, you were not there. How can you say it?
So, that's why I'm saying to you that.
So how can you say you don't want to call your servant? No, I don't. I no
Because
need.
there
I
is no
didn't.
need to call
No
them.
need, and you were not there. So how can you say there is no need to call servant? No need to check. So how can you say who will take responsibility of this?
Chalo, now that is it. Now Megha ji is going back with this broken item because she has to bear it. She can do nothing. She can't help it, right?
Okay.
But it was good from your side. You both the ladies are pugnacious, cantankerous, right? You are good in fighting. So your nature reflected. And it shows that internally there is a fighter in both of you. So give them a huge round of applause to these fighters.